Question number 1. Choose the correct sentence. Correct answer, B. Question number 2. Identify the correct passive voice. Correct answer, A. Question number 3. Choose the correct synonym of brave. Correct answer, C. Question number 4. She blank playing football yesterday. Correct answer, B. Choose the correct antonym of victory. Correct answer, C. Pakistan Army and ISSB General Knowledge MCQs. Question number 1. Which force protects the land borders of Pakistan? Correct answer, C. Question number 2. The motto of the Pakistan Army is? Correct answer, B. Question number 3. GHQ of Pakistan Army is located in? Correct answer, D. Question number 4. Which rank is higher in Pakistan Army? Correct answer, D. Question number 5. Which test is important in ISSB selection? Correct answer, D. ISSB Islamic Wars and Sirat MCQs. Question number 1. The first revelation was received in? Correct answer, B. Question number 2. The first revelation was of Surah. Correct answer, C. Question number 3. How many years did Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, receive revelations? Correct answer, C. Question number 4. The first battle in Islam was? Correct answer, B. Question number 5. The Battle of Badr was fought in? Correct answer,